Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of formal communication models. Let's get started. Formal communication models provide a framework for how information flows within an organization. These models help streamline communication, improve efficiency, and ensure that messages are relayed accurately. Let's explore some of the commonly used formal communication models. The first model is the single chain model. In this model, a communication network exists between a supervisor and their subordinate in a hierarchical or bureaucratic organization. Next, we have the wheel model. In this model, all subordinates are connected to and communicate through one central figure, usually their immediate superior. Moving on, we have the circular model. In this model, communication occurs in a circular pattern, where each person can only communicate with their adjoining individuals. While this model ensures that everyone is connected, communication can be slow due to the sequential flow. In contrast, we have the free flow model, where communication can occur freely among anyone in the organization. This model allows for fast and direct communication between individuals. Another formal communication model is the inverted V model. In this model, individuals are allowed to communicate with their direct superior and the superior's superior. The subject matter of communication is often prescribed and follows a specific hierarchy. Now, let's shift our focus to informal communication, also known as grapevine communication. Informal communication is less structured and often occurs outside the formal channels. It involves the free flow of information among individuals and can take on different network structures. One common informal communication network is the single-strand network, where information is passed from one person to another through intervening individuals. It follows a chain-like pattern. Another informal communication network is the gossip network, where an individual spreads information to all others. This individual becomes the central figure in the network. In the probability network, individuals communicate with others randomly, without any specific pattern. This allows for information to flow across various channels and reach different individuals. Lastly, we have the cluster network, where individuals communicate only with those whom they trust. This results in the formation of clusters within the organization. Understanding formal and informal communication models is essential in comprehending how information is transmitted within organizations. By recognizing the strengths and limitations of each model, we can optimize communication and foster effective collaboration. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on communication. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore advanced communication strategies. Until then, keep communicating effectively.